Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay, and on behalf of my team Anand, Bala, Suhas and Vinay, I'm presenting this video cast assignment. Actually, we went through a lot of discussions before arriving at the final models for each of the design phases. We also went through a lot of social networking sites to get the feel of how our project should look and work like, as well as the feedback from tutors and friends. Now, let me explain the design phases in brief. These are group members. In the first week, we were asked to come up with a project plan that we intended to develop in the weeks coming by. Brief description of the project, scope of the project, goals and objectives, and roles assigned to each member were included. We can sum up the whole project plan as developing a feasible web application to enhance the business opportunity of any given organization based on requirements provided. We classified scope into inclusive and exclusive, with the interface being any standard browser. Then we assigned each of us a role to play in the project based on previous experience and capability. Week 2. Based on analysis of working of different networking sites, we managed to come up with necessary functional and non-functional requirements that might be suitable for our project. Functional requirements and non-functional requirements. Week 3. In this segment, we had to come up with CRCs for our project. We went through a lot of discussions over what to add and what not to. The feedback from the tutors was indeed helpful in finalizing this model. Let's first describe what CRCs are. CRCs are design tools for object-oriented software, typically used to determine which classes are needed and how they interact within the system. We considered Web version 2 as a superclass for our project with classes, login, user, system interface, community, and RSS feeds. Week 4. We were asked to come up with model documentation, that is, the use case diagrams and class diagrams for the proposed project that we are undertaking. We identified 3 actors with a lot of mutual use cases, which have been represented in the chart. As we see, user has the most use cases, which are mutual between other actors in the system. The moderator has all the use cases of the user as well as 2 unique ones, which are in turn mutual to the admin, along with the use cases of the user. The admin has 4 unique use cases that sets him apart from the rest of the actors in the system, and thus can be considered the numero uno among actors. Class diagrams. Based on the classes identified in the specification requirement, we have designed the class diagram for our project. Each of the classes has been set with attributes and methods. The presentation has been set in a manner in which the user interacts with each of the classes within the system. Week 5. We had to present the skeleton code for the project, a brief look into what our project code would look like. The following classes are shown coded: upload, registration, mail, login, create thread, and community. We used Eclipse for coding the application with JSP. In the end, for the prototype, we successfully implemented a working model with teamwork, determination, and confidence. Well, after 12 weeks, we were able to develop a standalone web application based on the requirements given to us. We successfully implemented Java JSP into the application design. I hope you have done a pretty good job. Thanks a lot.